Alleles Explained, Understanding Genetic Locus. Have you ever wondered how traits are passed down from parents to children? The answer lies in something called alleles. Let's break it down together. Alleles are different versions of a gene. Think of them as variations that occupy a specific spot, known as a genetic locus, on a chromosome. Each gene has its own address on the chromosome, and at that address, there can be one or more alleles. This is where the uniqueness of traits comes into play. Humans and many other organisms are diploid. This means we have two copies of each chromosome and, therefore, two alleles at each locus. One allele comes from the mother, and the other comes from the father. When both alleles at a locus are the same, we say the individual is homozygous. If the alleles differ, the individual is heterozygous. These alleles work together to determine the genotype, which is the genetic makeup of an individual. The genotype influences the phenotype, which is the observable traits. For example, if you have one allele for brown eyes and another for blue eyes, the brown eye allele is typically dominant. This means the brown eye trait will be expressed, while the blue eye trait is masked. Some alleles may have slight variations in their DNA sequences. These variations might not change how a trait looks, but they can still be important for genetic testing. Understanding these differences can help us learn more about our health and ancestry. In the context of family genetic testing and hereditary health, knowing about alleles and their loci is vital. It helps identify which gene variants are passed down through generations. This knowledge can inform family members about potential health risks or traits they may inherit. Gene mapping is a tool that locates specific loci associated with certain traits or diseases. This process is essential in understanding how genetic traits are inherited. It supports personalized health decisions, allowing individuals to be more informed about their health and family history. So, the next time you think about traits like eye color or even certain health conditions, remember that it all comes down to alleles and their specific locations on chromosomes. Understanding these concepts can empower you to make informed choices about your health and your family's future.